Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic that is about we need to find the value of x. So now I want to show you how to answer. So if we look carefully about this one, they will repeat in the process. However, this one in here is equal to this process when they repeat many times. So this one we can change by x. Now I will put 4 plus x go to the left. Next, we need to expand this one. And now we need to arrange. Next, we need to find the solution of this one. And we have these values in here. However, we need to see that this one they always positive numbers. So the value of x should be about positive number. So that is about this one. And here is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.